and welcome back. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are in Tuscany. We are close to the village of Bibbiena, which is a lovely place very close to Arezzo, in the area of Casentino. These places are immersed in the green, characterized by lush nature, breathtaking sceneries, and peaceful atmosphere. Today, we will visit together a rather particular property. It is a fully restored priest house with its own garden and swimming pool. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. The property can be accessed by car, passing through two independent gates. The larger one is right behind me. And it keeps going through this path, which arrives to the right to a garage, and then keeps going to the property. Then there are also walking accesses, like for example this gate right behind me, which is ideal for everyday living. It opens to this lovely stone-paved pathway, which then, on my left, arrives to this charming garden. It is characterized by this original well in the center and on the background this gorgeous view of Tuscany. From this area of the property, we already see the two main buildings of the house. Let's start talking about this one right behind me. It is used as a guest house and it is 130 square meters, fully restored, with on the ground floor living spaces and a bedroom, whereas the whole upper floor is used for the master bedroom. Right in front of the guest house, we find what in the past was the house of the priest. It has been fully restored and it is in immaculate condition. It is about 250 square meters, laid on 3 floors with 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Let's see it inside. pathway arrives to the first floor of the home. Here is where we find mostly living spaces, with a kitchen on my right. Then on my left we find a dining area and 2 living areas with a bathroom. The first floor of the home arrives to my favorite part of the property. It has this lovely terrace with an enchanting view of Tuscany over here. The terrace is totally covered in green, thanks to all of these wonderful plants, like for example these lush olive trees, ideal for your own olive oil. This external space is completed by this 7 by 3 meters swimming pool, which is as well immersed in this wonderful atmosphere surrounded by the green. Let's now have a look at the rest of the home. The staircase brings to the lower floor, so the ground level, which is used as storage rooms and wine cellar. Whereas going up these stairs, we go to the first floor, which is where all of the bedrooms are. Let's go and have a look. The first floor of the property is indeed characterized by several different textures and materials, like this exposed original stone over here, the original woods and terracotta. The bedrooms of this floor are 4, and there is 1 bathroom over here. Let me show you my favorite bedroom. The bedroom is indeed characterized by these lovely exposed beams, the parquet floor and the original stone details. Have a look at this stone sill from the window. Right above you can see my favorite part about this bedroom, which is indeed the view of the valley. Siamo ora giunti al termine del video di oggi. Vorrei soffermarmi a parlare della spiritualità di questo luogo, non distante dall'eremo di Camaldoli e dal santuario di Chiusi della Verna, circondato da un paesaggio verdeggiante e incontaminato. È il luogo ideale per chi è alla ricerca di un'oasi di pace e di tranquillità. Spero vi sia piaciuto, a presto!